Alright. Hello, friends! Naisip ko is back! And for today's video ay mag-unbox tayo ng mga parcels! Also for today ay may kasama tayong fur baby. His name is Bo. 7 months old na siya na princess type Shih Tzu, and gusto ko lang is-shout out ang nagbigay sa akin ng Shih Tzu na ito, si Frenny Troy and also si Frenny Robbie. So sila talaga yung original fur parents ni Bo. So ayan, baby, dyan ka muna. So guys, as I was saying, ay mag-unbox tayo ng mga parcels, and i-chichika ko sa inyo, bakit nga ba ang dami-dami kong parcels for today? And ito, yung very first na parcel na i-share ko sa inyo, ito yung natanggap ko when I joined an online fitness class this January. And yung laman niya ay isang canister ng Herbalife Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix. And also, isang Herbalife Herbal Concentrate Instant Powder Mix. So, this is the tea. Ito ay ang aking healthy breakfast. What I only need to do is just to have 2 scoops of this combined with a 250 ml fresh milk. So, for now, ang napili ko ay soy milk. Ito ay merong kasamang spoon inside. So, yan. Actually, this one is paubos na. So, this one is yung kinoconsume ko for this month. And, masarap siya, guys. Masarap, promise. Tapos, when you take this, you feel sobrang busog. So, yun. Kasi it contains vitamins and minerals na kailangan ng ating katawan. So, umaga pa lang, busog ka na at energized ka na. Alright? So, ito naman yung Herbal Concentrate Instant Powder Mix. So, ito yung aking tea. So, ito na. So, yan. Nagamit ko na siya kasi I'm currently taking these 2. So, yan. Yan yung natanggap ko when I enrolled in an online fitness class managed by Coach Ann Aniag. So, Coach Ann, if you're watching, hello! Shout out sa inyo po. So, ayan. And, ito namang another small box here is the second parcel I received. Alright. Kasi, when I enrolled that Level Up 2025 community, so, meron palang opportunity din for us to earn. So, alam niyo, nakakatuwa lang kasi nagiging fit ka na, at the same time, pwede ka pang kumita. May opportunity for you to have a business. So, yung laman nito is the business builder kit. And yung una, eto, yung sales invoice, and then ito yung what's inside, yung Herbalife Nutrition Business Builder Pack. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman. So, ayan siya. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda ng packaging niya. So, kapag binuksan ninyo, ang makikita ninyo ay ayan, maraming F1 Nutritional Shake Mix. So, ito dalawa yung flavors niya. Merong French Vanilla and may Dutch Chocolate. So, mix siya. Also, inside the box ay merong Herbalife Formula 2 Vitamins and Minerals. So, yan. Ito, tinitake to 3 times a day. Bakit? Kasi, ang katawan natin ay meron lang siyang time frame ng absorption ng vitamins. And, kailangan yung initial take natin, nasusundan siya ng isa sa umaga, isa sa tanghali, at isa sa gabi. That's why 3 times a day dapat ito tinitake. Aside from that, I also have this Herbalife Nutrition Ball Pen. Ang ganda nito, guys. And also this pin na nakalagay ay lose weight now, ask me how. So yan, pipit ko siya ng ganyan like this. Also, on top of that is eto, the registration card and an Herbalife distributor journal. So yan. So if you search in Google what is the first nutrition brand in the world? Makikita nyo ang sagot. It's Herbalife. So, yan. So, yan. Yan yung laman, no, ating second box. The Business Builder Pack. Okay? So, yan. Bakit ako nag-join? So, bakit ko naisip na mag-join on this business membership? Siyempre, simply because tayong mga mommies, gusto natin ng extra income. But more than that, it aligns with my life purpose. And alam niyo ba kung ano yung life purpose ko? I-share ko sa inyo. So, my life purpose is to positively impact and inspire people by sharing my knowledge with love and compassion. So, ayun, gusto ko lang din i-shout out si Miss Jennifer Lopez. So, she is my manager sa office. We call her Miss Dimples or Miss D. Hi, Miss D. Kasi she's the one who helped me finalize what my life purpose is. And, yun nga, as I was saying, kaya naisipan ko rin na mag-join sa Herbalife Business membership kasi it aligns with my life purpose. So, naisip ko, dito ko mai-apply yung life purpose ko. So, ayan. Kasi, when you are inside the community already, if you're already part of it, maiintindihan mong mabuti kung ano yung mission. And our mission is to transform the nation into a healthier lifestyle. So, ayun. As we go along, you would understand further what I am trying to say. So, tara na! Eto na! Buksan na natin ang unang malaking box. So, excited na rin ako kasi, syempre, first time kong makareceive ng ganitong karaming parcels na healthy yung laman. So, yun pa pala yung isa sa mga reason why nag-sign up ako for this business. Kasi, it's a healthy business. Alam nyo, ang sarap kaya sa pakiramdam kapag yung business mo ay healthy, literal. Kasi yung mga products na ipopromote mo ay nakakatulong for the people to have a healthier lifestyle. So, yan. Tapos, I also love talking to all walks of life. So, mahilig ako makipag-chikahan sa mga tao. I mean, hindi ko pinipili kung ano man yung estado niya sa buhay, kung ano man yung trabaho niya, kung mayaman ba siya o hindi. Kinakausap ko. Kapag nasa office, even the security guard or yung mga facilities, yung mga janitor, I always greet them whenever I see them. Like, good morning, hello kuya. Yan, kinakamusta ko rin sila. Alam niyo, ang sarap kaya sa pakiramdam kapag nakakita ng mga smiles nila. Alam niyo, very genuine yung mga smiles nila. And alam niyo, yung mga ganyang simpleng tao, sila pa yung may mga lots of stories to share. So, ayan. Alright, so pause muna tayo sa chika. So, what I have here on this box ay 6 pieces ng starter pack. So, ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda ng packaging, no? So, this is an Herbalife Start Now package. It refreshes, energizes, and nourish our body. So, what's inside is 1 canister of Formula 1 nutritional shake mix, 1 herbal, concentrate na tea, and 1 aloe. So, yan, 3 piraso yung laman ito. So, those 3 na na-mention ko ay ang kailangan ng ating katawan. The aloe for proper digestion, yung tea natin na nakakakalma, and kailangan din natin yon. Alam nyo yun, instead of umiinom tayo ng mga tea na pagkatamis-tamis, so at least our tea right now is a healthy one. And also the Formula 1 nutritional shake mix na healthy breakfast. So, this can be yours message me and I will introduce you to our online fitness class, the Transform Nations PH, the Level Up 2025 community. I-introduce ko kayo sa aking coach na si Coach Tom. So, ayan. So, 6 pieces yan. Yung flavor nito ay Dutch chocolate. Okay. So, binabasa ko lang yung aking sales invoice. Okay. Alright. So, ayan. Sine-check ko na lang din yung aking delivery habang chumichika sa inyo. So, there is an area here when it says low glycemic index. So, ibig sabihin, pwede to sa mga diabetic, sa mga taong ayaw masyado ng matatamis. So, hindi siya nakakataas ng sugar. So, perfect to for those who have PMT2. So, ayan. Okay. So, yan yung laman ng first box. 6 pieces ng starter pack. Okay, so, ibababa muna natin to. Yan, check ka muna. And let's open this second box. Actually, try ako siyang iakyat. Ganun ako kalakas, guys. Alam niyo, kapag nag-workout ka, mani-mani na lang sa inyo yung pagbubuhat. Kasi, sanay na yung katawan ninyo. Kasi kami, sa online fitness class na in-enrollan ko, we have a lot of activities that help us to be stronger and smarter. Alam niyo yun? Stronger and smarter in such a way na nako-combine namin yung both and na-achieve. Kasi, we became strong sa mga workouts na meron kami and nakakatuwa kasi ang daming klase ng activities like Zumba or aerobics. We also have workouts. So, nag-lift din kami ng weights and marami pang iba. So, ayan. So, aside from workout, natututo rin kami about proper nutrition. And alam nyo, sayang nga kasi ngayon ko lang, kumbaga, na-meet si Coach Ann. Kasi if I have met her even before, maybe naayos ko na yung aking health condition ng mas maaga. Kasi I have BMT2 and one of the reasons why I joined that online fitness class is because meron akong challenge na tinanggap sa aking endocrinologist. Doc pagsisihan. Sabi ko kasi nung last visit ko sa kanya, Doc, baka naman pwede mong bawasan na yung maintenance ko. Yes, I'm taking maintenance for 10 years na. Kasi when I had my gestational diabetes, nung pregnant ako on my first, then, nung sa second pregnancy, meron pa rin. And sa third pregnancy, meron pa din. Di na siya nawala and nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. So, ayun. Gusto kong i-beat yung challenge ni Doc sa akin. That's why I joined the online fitness class. So, yun. Gusto ko, sabi ko kay Doc, pakibawasan mo naman yung maintenance ko. Pero, ang sabi ni Doc, bawasan mo muna ang iyong uric acid result when you come back. And also, yung sugar level. So, those two, kailangan mapababa ko siya. Kaya naman, sabi ko sa sarili ko, it's been a decade already and wala namang progress. May maintenance na ako and as time passes by, lalong nadadagdagan. Hindi siya nababawasan, promise. So, I need help already. And luckily, nakita ko nga yung post ni Coach Ann, mga around last week na ng December. So, yun, doon ako I got interested to join. Kaya, I'm so happy rin kasi it aligns to what I need. It aligns to what my goals are. So, ayun, very perfect talaga yung pagkakamit namin ni Coach Ann. So, sobrang grateful talaga ako. Alam niyo yun, sobrang saya talaga, no joke. And yun, this January, doon ako nakasama sa batch ng January batch level up 2025. And as alam nyo yon, as time passes by, doon ko mas nare-realize na, ang ganda pala ng mission ng Transformations PH. Ang ganda pala ng mission ni na Coach Ann. Kasi they are really helping lives, they are touching lives, and that's what I also would like to do moving forward. Kasi I wanted to touch lives. Kasi, kumbaga, before, ang racket ko ay nagre-real estate salesperson ako, wherein the money is just secondary for me kasi what I'm after for is, alam niyo yun, when you see the smiles of your clients, that's very fulfilling talaga. As in, sobrang saya ng feeling kapag ganun. Alam niyo, sa commission naman namin, very maliit lang yun. But, alam niyo yun, yung malaman mo yung ins and outs ng real estate, that's an additional knowledge, yung makapag-site tripping ka into different subdivisions, so nagkaka-idea ka, and also nagkaka-idea ka rin, ano ba yung model house na meron, na pwede mo ring magaya sa iyong bahay. So, ayun. And unfortunately, hindi na ako ganun ka-active kasi sa real estate because my broker went to US. So, wala na akong that much support. So, naglaylo ako. But I am still a licensed, accredited real estate salesperson. But I'm not that active. So, wala na akong ganung pinagkakaabalahan every Saturday. Dati kasi Saturday is my real estate day. And since nawala na nga siya, medyo nagkakaroon ako ng bandwidth and I got bored. Wala na akong magawang iba. So, yun. Kaya, ito yung pinagkakaabalahan ko lately. Kasi nung January, bakasyon pa ako, first half of the month. So, wala pa rin akong ginagawa dun masyado. So, yan. Yan yung pinagkakaabalahan ko lately. That's my life lately. Busy ako on my fitness journey. Busy rin ako to understand what Herbalife is and its products, kung ano ba yung benefits that we can get from it. And, ayun, na-encourage din ako na maging business member. So, right now, I am proud to say na ko mag-aral-gal pa. I am now bakit may mag-aral-gal? Ano ba yan? I'm so sorry. So, yan. As I was saying, I am proud to say that I am now a brand ambassador ng Herbalife and also a distributor. That's why I have these products with me. So, these products are my personal needs. Kumbaga, these are for my personal consumption. So, kumbaga, binay ko na siya in bulk. Kasi, gusto ko ma-ensure na lahat ng kailangan ng katawan ko ay maibibigay ko na agad-agad. So, ganun ako ka-excited. And also, to enjoy the discount din. So, ayan. Alright, so let's see what's inside the box. So, ayan. Mabilis ang pasilip kung anong merong laman sa ating pangalawang box. So, what we have are 4 Start Now packs. Ayan. So, it refreshes, energizes, and nourishes our body. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung actual na laman nito. So, first, we have this F1 Nutritional Shake Mix in French Vanilla flavor. We also have this Herbal Aloe Concentrate in Mandarin flavor. And, last but not the least, is our Herbal Concentrate Instant Powder Mix. So, ayan. Itong tatlong to, ang laman ng ating Start Now package. So, ayan. Ito yung box. So, ayan. If interested kayo to have these, just message me. And, ako nang bahala sa inyo. Alright? Just remember, you can also purchase these products from authorized distributors like us. So, ayan. Diyan muna natin lagay yung ating mga products para naman makita ninyo. Okay. Invoice. And, ayan. On this box. Alright, in this box, meron din tayong 7-day Formula 1 trial pack. So, this one is for those who would like to try it first. And this one is more affordable compared dito sa ating Start Now package. So, what's inside are 7 sachets of the nutritional shake mix. This F1 nutritional shake mix. So, it has 2 flavors, French vanilla and Dutch chocolate. Also, a canister with measurement. So, it has a 400 ml canister inside, a shaker. So, what you just need is the fresh milk. So, yun, 250 ml of fresh milk plus 1 sachet of this. Shake it inside the canister or shaker. Then you should be all set and you have the healthy breakfast. So, once na-try nyo to, makaka-relate kayo sa mga pinagsasasabi ko. So, ayan, I have 2 of these. So, very maswerte yung aking mga neighbors and office mates because I have on hand already. Okay? So, on top of those products that I flexed, so I also have a dulce de leche flavor of our F1 nutritional shake mix. So, this one I wanted to try. Na-try ko na yung lasa ng French vanilla. Na-try ko na yung lasa ng Dutch chocolate. So, this one, nag-order ako ng dulce de leche. Okay? So, ayan. Bubuksan ko na to bukas. So, ayan. Dito natin siya ilagay. Also, meron pa tayong shampoo and conditioner. So, syempre, kung meron tayong strengthening shampoo, meron din tayong strengthening conditioner. So, what does it do? The shampoo nourishes and hydrates our hair, while our conditioner softens and hydrate our hair. So, each of these is 250 ml. Sobrang laki, guys. And, ang main ingredient dito ay ang aloe vera. So, ayan. I have these two. Itatry ko siya. And, based sa training na naatinan ko, maganda yung kanyang effects sa ating mga buhok. So, ayan. Yun lang yung laman ng ating second box. So, let's proceed sa ating third box. Okay. Etong ating pangatlo. Alright, kunin ko na yung ating content. Okay, so buksan na natin yung ating last box for today's video. Kamusta naman kayo, guys? If you're watching, can you please comment down below kung saang lugar kayo nanonood so at least I can shout out and thank you for watching our video. Thanks for your support. Okay. By the way, guys, if you want, you can also just message me if you're interested to have a fitness activity in your area. So, in Cavite, ako yung authorized distributor. So, just message me if you're interested to have an online, to join our online fitness community, the Transformations PH, the Level Up 2025 community. And I will introduce you to our coach, Coach Ann Aniak. Okay? So, I love this. So, I just wanted to shout out those coffee lovers. Kaway-kaway sa mga coffee lovers. Meron tayong Herbalife product just for you. Guys, take note. No added sugar itong coffee natin. So, it's a 322 grams of high protein iced coffee. This one is mocha flavor. However, this one is cafe latte flavor. So, it says here, no added sugar, 15 grams protein, and 80 calories. Alright, so, this one is better compared sa mga iniinom na coffee ng mga karamihan. This is a healthy coffee na matatawag ko. All you just need is just 250 ml of water and ice plus 2 scoops of this or this one. Then you should be all set. You can enjoy your sugar-free coffee na healthy. So, ayan guys. If you're interested, coffee lovers, just message me so you can get this products. So, I have 2 on hand. Okay. So, dyan muna ang ating mga kape. Alright, another item or product that I have inside the third box is our Herbalife measuring spoon. So, ayan. Kaway-kaway sa mga Team White dyan. So, yeah. Meron din tayong measuring spoon para tama talaga yung ang measurement ng mga inilalagay natin na F1 Nutritional Shake Mix and Herbal Concentrate na instant powder mix. So, ayan, dalawa siya. Ito, mas malaki. And then, ito ay mas maliit. So, buksan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita natin. This is 1 tablespoon nakalagay. If you can see. And this one is half tablespoon. So, ayan, magiging accurate na yung measurement ninyo. Hindi na kayo susobra, hindi na kayo magkukulang sa pag-mix ng inyong mga Herbalife products na drink. Okay. So, ayan, available din ang ating measuring spoon. So, on top of that, meron pa akong natitira 6 pieces ng Start Now package. Okay. So, ito naman, dalawang klase lang yung in-order kong flavor. So, we have the French vanilla and the Dutch chocolate. So, dalawa lang yung in-order kong flavors for that. So, kung sino yung interesado, just message me para magkaroon na kayo nito. So, ayan. Tingnan nga natin yung laman. So, kanina nakapagbukas tayo ng French vanilla. This one is still French vanilla. Okay. So, the same. Toast na natin siya. Silipin natin to. So, kasi pakita sa inyo yung itsura ng Dutch chocolate. Okay, nasa first. Nandito sa unang box natin. Sige, isara muna natin to. So, yun guys. So far, nabuksan na natin yung 3 boxes ng ating Herbalife parcels na na-deliver sa aking home office. So, ayan. Gusto ko lang i-flex kung ano yung mga meron tayo before we end this video. So, tingnan ko lang. Gusto ko lang pakita yung this one is Dutch chocolate. So, ito yung itsura ng Dutch chocolate na canister package. So, it also comes with our aloe drink. Yan. This is for proper digestion. Maganda to guys. And then, itong ating instant powder mix. Original yung flavor nito. So, I will create another video for specific details ng mga product. Like a product feature video soon. So, pakiabangan ninyo. And, marami pa akong plans na i-content about this Herbalife and about the fitness journey. And I hope I can influence you in a good way to have a healthy lifestyle. So, alam niyo na yun, hindi na tayo pabata ng pabata as time passes by. And, kailangan na natin maging maingat sa ating katawan. Kailangan na natin seryosohin ang pagiging healthy natin. Kaya naman, ako naisip ko talaga, this 2025, I am on my wellness era. Kaya naman, January pa lang, ay nag-enroll na talaga ako sa online fitness class. Kaya naman, until now, na-enjoy ko siya. And meron na rin progress, paunti-unti. In less than a month, I was able to change my bad habits into good ones. And I was also able to adjust my food intake and apply the lessons that I have learned in my online fitness class. Kumbaga, yung kinakain ko, hindi na ganun ka-unhealthy. Hindi na rin ako bumibili ng junk food. First time ko na grocery last time na wala akong junk food na uwi-uwi. So, congratulations, self. And, first time ko rin na nag-grocery, na nagre-read ng labels ng mga nutritional information. Frennies, importante ang label. Basahin ang label. Kailangan ng label. May hugot ba dyan? Anyway, seryoso guys, kailangan binabasa na natin yung mga nutritional info sa mga packaging ng mga binibili nating food sa grocery. Kasi halos lahat ang tataas ng sugar, ng sodium. Kaya naman, yun yung isa sa mga nagpapa-unhealthy sa atin. So, yun. So, kahit paano, in less than a month, na-change ko na yung mga quote-and-quote bad habits ko. And I'm so thankful kasi andyan si Coach Ann to support me kasi every meal, sinesend ko yung picture ng kinakain ko, literal. And that serves as a gentle reminder for me na iwasan ang cravings, iwasan yung mga unhealthy foods. So, alam nyo kung ano yung payo ng doktor sa akin. For me, to lower my uric acid, iwasan ng red meat. So, ang option ko lang ay either isda or breast ng chicken. So, either manok lang or isda ang pwede kong i-take na meat. So, bawal na ang baboy, bawal na ang baka sa akin. And so far, nakakaya ko namang hindi kumain. So, what I have is gulay. Yeah, more on veggies. And ito lang guys, tip na rin para sa inyo. So, on your plate, make sure 1/3 of that is vegetable. Also, meat, 1/3 din. And then, 1/3 of your carbohydrates. So, pwedeng kanin. Ako kasi, brown rice yung ginagamit ko. And then, marami talaga akong maggulay. So, usually, binablanch ko lang yung mga leafy vegetables. And also, meat. So, ayan. Yan yung usually laman ng plate ko. Kailangan balanced diet. Hindi lang basta diet. Kailangan healthy, balanced diet. Para naman, nasusupply natin sa ating katawan yung mga nutrition na talagang kailangan nito. And also, based on napag-aralan ko sa aming online fitness class, it's 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. So, yun yung exact formula kung paano tayo talaga magiging healthy. That's why I'm so grateful na merong nag-guide sa akin on how I can manage my health accordingly and how I can be fit and healthy. So, yan. I will be sharing more of our Herbalife products and about my fitness journey in my upcoming vlogs. And I just like to highlight that the reason why I signed up for this Herbalife business is simply because this is the perfect venue for me to apply my life purpose, which is to positively impact and inspire others by sharing my knowledge with love and compassion. So just like what I'm doing right now, I'm sharing my knowledge to you guys about proper nutrition, about healthy lifestyle. So this is my simple way to introduce the Herbalife products and the importance of having a healthy lifestyle. So slowly, I am already doing what my life purpose is. And I hope that you can learn something from it. So yes, on top of being a mom, na pinagkakabisihan ko ang mommy duties, yung life purpose ko, ang another thing na pagkakaabalahan ko moving forward. And I hope I can contribute to you guys. I can touch your life. I can have an added value to your life by sharing my knowledge and expertise about these Herbalife products, proper nutrition, healthy lifestyle, well-balanced diet, and so on and so forth. Okay? And for those who are part of the HOA, alright? So, inject ko na rin ang pagiging real estate salesperson ko. So, kung meron dyang officer ng HOA na nakikinig or nanonood, and if you're interested to have an activity, like a fitness activity, just message me and I'll be happy to connect you to Coach Ann. And let's collaborate so we can have a fitness activity in your area for free. Take note guys, for free. So, we just have to plan ahead and discuss things over on how we can execute to transform our nations into healthy lifestyle. Okay? So also sa mga nasa office, so from other companies, if you wanted to have a fun activity, yoga, Zumba, and other fitness activity, just let me know, just message me, and ipupulfill natin yung request nyo na yan free of charge. I just need to have a meeting with you, quick discussion with you, and I will connect you to Coach Ann para mo fulfill natin ang inyong request so we can transform other lives and other nations into having a healthy lifestyle. Okay? So, yun lang muna for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. And hanggang sa muli na ating chikahan based sa mga naisip ko. Thank you guys! Bye! Opo, magbabay ka na. Bye! Yay! Hello, bebe. Hello, bebe. Hello.